Hello, my name is Kevin Odera, and I am the founder and director of Wawa Kenya. Wawa Kenya simply means wanawake wavuvi, or if you like, in English, it's Fisher Folk Women. So Wawa empowers women around the lake region, women who are marginalized, who are trading sex for fish, which is so very harmful to their health. So Wawa was founded in 2019, and we've trained a number of women. But amidst the work that we are doing, I still feel like I needed to learn more so that we can scale up the work that we are doing. We go to many beaches along the Lake Victoria. This cannot be done if I don't scale up. This is the reason why I feel like I really fit for the Global Mutualism Fellow, so that I can go interact with other fellows and I can learn more and I can unlearn as well, so that I can also share my experience with other people. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to interact with many people if I'm given this opportunity and chance to join Global Mutualism Fellow. Thank you.